bought it, crib, got it, job, bought it. Did I ever ask you to take?
Hey guys, so today is packing day. I spoke to my sister, told her about it yesterday. I feel very sad and guilty for not being able to do my part, but really we agreed on a year lease, so I feel like I'm not really doing anything wrong in my end. I just physically cannot do it anymore. So I'm actually packing. I've actually been packing since 9 in the morning. I woke up around like 8:30, brushed my teeth, and just like decided, I need to get this stuff rolling because I know myself, I'm a procrastinator, and I just want the 1 week I have left, I want to just like relax. So I'm actually leaving my bed frame for my sister, and I'm leaving my makeshift vanity for my sister and the lamp. I'm just taking everything that's on the table, the top of the vanity. I actually took everything out of the drawers. The only thing that's left right now is snacks, and those snacks I'm either gonna take the ones I haven't been eating, I'm gonna throw those away, but there's like only a little bit enough for a week anyways. A week worth of snacks left for me, so I'm gonna finish those snacks, and then yeah, I just gotta pack all of those things on the counter, and I'm gonna put them on here. I'm gonna show you guys my progress so far. It's good. I'm just taking a break because I've been cleaning nonstop for the past, I don't know, like what, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 5 hours. I've been cleaning nonstop, packing and cleaning. I'm just like, oof, so tired, y'all. But I'm excited for whatever God has planned for me. I don't know. Like for me, it's I find it embarrassing in a way because I wanted, when I was moving out of this apartment, to be going into my own apartment, but God had other plans clearly because it is what it is. So I just been having YouTube videos playing in the background, literally just like cleaning up. But yeah, it's tiresome, to be honest. So I'm excited about that. It's sad at the same time because I don't know. I'm just tired. I took down some of my wall things. I have to take down more things. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. I have to take down that stuff right there. I gotta take that down because I'm gonna keep that up until the day I'm leaving. I gotta take that down. I'm taking that and my TV. I'm not taking that. That's my donation pile. I'm donating that pillow and the little teddy bears and those 2 pillows and that purse and the 2 shirts down there. I'm donating those. This is the pile of clothes I still have to go through to see what I'm keeping, what I'm not keeping. These are the pile of clothes and jackets and pajamas and all that stuff that I am definitely keeping. These are my nice clothings I'm gonna be putting in this luggage. Any clothes that's right there that I'm keeping is gonna go in my big luggage, which I haven't brought out yet. That's just my ornaments and I don't know what those things are called. And that's box of my liquor. I have like empty liquor bottles that I want to decorate. So I have that. I have to go through that box because there's like a lot of stuff that I want to throw out in there. There's some things I don't really want in there. I'm trying to like not have too much stuff. The amount of things I have is enough to fit in the closet space or the living room closet, my mom's, and maybe I might even use my mom's room closet to put some things I'm not gonna ever go in there for unless I'm moving out anyways. So certain things I'm gonna do that. So this is what my room is looking like right now. Yeah, it looks like a mess. But everything is emptied out here other than snacks, taking that stuff off on the top, and the second, all that stuff right in that box right there. I'm just like taking like tiny 10-minute breaks, and then yeah, see that pile? You see that? That's huge. Like, what the hell? But some of the things up there I'm gonna actually put in there to like minimize, because I don't want to, like, those shoes, that bag, that stuff could like go down a bit because I don't want it to, like, but yeah, that's what I'm doing right now today. I just didn't want you guys thinking I neglected you guys today, because I know I just said I'm gonna be posting daily. Oh yeah, I also have all this stuff, y'all. That's like skincare, beauty and hair, random stuff like things that companies sent to me. and all that right there. Y'all, sorry about that. I just got a call from my siblings' school. They usually contact me if they need anything for the kids. I guess my brother was having an asthmatic attack today, and I've been so busy with my own problems. I haven't had time to take care of anyone else's problems. So I guess he needs. I forgot to send out an inhaler for his school because he had it last school year. So I'm actually gonna be contacting my mother in a few minutes to let her know to see if they have any inhaler at the house. If they do, just send it to the school so that way he can have it at school as needed, you know. But yeah, I told him I'll have all that done for them, have all that taken care for them by next Friday, just to give myself, like, I really just want to relax my brain cells. I have a headache literally every fucking day because I'm so fucking stressed out about life in general. I mean, I'm about to be literally 25 and my life is nowhere where I want it to be at all. So yeah, I mean, it was good last year. I'm not gonna lie, my life was okay last year. Like, it was not bad. I had my vehicle, I had my job and everything, my job. I had a really nice apartment. It was like the kind of apartment I want to live in. Like those type of apartments is what I like. I've always lived in nice apartments my whole life. Oh, my whole adult life, I mean. So from like 2018, my apartment in 2018 was like similar to the one I live in right now, basically. Yeah, it's like it had carpet. So my 2018 apartment, when I was 18 years old, was similar to the one I'm in right now that I'm leaving. So, but other than that, after that, all my apartments were really nice and bougie apartments. So I'm used to having bougie home. So like with the balcony and everything, you know. So like, yeah, it's not where I want it to be. And I really wanted to level up this year. That was the goal. But God had other plans. Like I said, we're walking with God now. We're walking in God's footsteps. And we're letting him lead us where he wants us to be. Because we are just human in this world. And he is the Almighty. And he says what can and cannot happen. So yeah, I'm just gonna take those down as well. I just want to have everything organized right here, just organized in my closet area, so I know exactly what I'm taking, what I'm not taking. And I'm just doing all that today because it's Friday, so that way on Saturday and Sunday and the whole week until, you know, whatever, I can simply be all right, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's all. Yeah, I don't think this video is gonna have an outro other than the normal outro. I'm not really in the mood to do the outro right now, so I'm just gonna end it here. I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so I lied. Okay, so I got these clothes I gotta get through still. These are my keeping pile. Part of me wants to just put the clothes I'm keeping in the dressers, but I don't know yet. Let's see. So this is the donating pile. I'm donating these pillows, these 4. There's one missing, I think. Oh yeah, no. Oh, 4 or 5 pillows are there. So 5 pillows, 2 shirts, a purse, prenatal pillow. I'm donating all that right there, just that right there. The box, I'm gonna go through it in the morning. I'm really tired, so I'm gonna go through that in the morning. That and that I'm keeping. Everything in there I'm keeping. So I feel like all of this stuff can fit in my mom's living room. My mom's living room closet. All the stuff right here, like all of that right there, plus these 2 things can all fit in that closet. So really, I'm just gonna have. Thankfully, that's why I like to be organized. I know what I'm putting where. So all I have to do is this, because I'm trying to create a little recording area for when I get there. So I'm gonna be sitting on my ottoman, taking that, so I can use it as a chair. And then I'm gonna use this, that, and I'm thinking of putting it like on that side of the wall, and then taking my curtains and you know, hanging them up in that little sunroom area. That's literally what I'm sleeping in. It's a sunroom, guys. Period. So I'm gonna have this, I think, against the curtains, so it has my TV, you know, and then I'm gonna have my ottoman on the side, and then I think I'm gonna just put my mattress. I'm gonna take my mattress and just like put it in there in the morning when I wake up, and then bring it out in the afternoon at night when I'm going to sleep in the little living room, second living room area. So I think because I was like freaking out. I don't know why I thought I had so much stuff, but I really don't. I just have these little things, that's basically like these little things, and whatever I feel like I can fit everything in one drive. And then I got my paintings. I got one painting in the living room that I want to take, because what people don't understand is I've had these paintings for a very long time, and it just tells me how far I've come, and they've been with me since Omaha. So I'm taking this painting right here, the pink floral painting, and the gray floral painting that's in the living room, and this one blue one right here with the girl or eyes. These paintings like just show me how far I've come in life, and how what I've been through. So I'm just not ready to let them go, because they look brand new. Like they haven't aged a bit, and I've had these for like 3 years, since 2021. So that's when I bought them from Ross. So, and then I got that one from Family Dollar, and this one from Goodwill. And then I have a few more. Where is it? I have a few more paintings in, oh, it's underneath my laundry bucket. That's underneath there as well. So yeah, so this is where we're at right now. I'm honestly thinking about just like seeing what clothes I'm donating, what clothes I'm keeping from this pile, and putting all the clothes right there, and then putting those clothes that's in there, put those clothes I'm putting in there, zip it up, and then like, you know, section the that little luggage right there next to the stuff, and just calling the day. So we're gonna finish the rest tomorrow. My head hurts. I'm gonna give myself like an hour to relax, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let me show you my face. I'm gonna give myself an hour to relax, and then I'm going to go ahead and go get some food. I think I might make something to snack on real quick, because I might snack on my Pop-Tart, to be honest. Now that I think about it, I have Pop-Tart. So I'm gonna snack for right now, so that way I could have some energy, you know. And I'm gonna watch my YouTube, because I just been watching YouTube all morning. It's about to be in like mid-afternoon. I usually watch movies or shows then, so it'll be perfect. So I'll go get food, because I don't know, I don't feel like cooking. So I want some noodles. I found some coins that I'm gonna use. Like I found $3 worth of quarters in my luggages of things. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, I literally just be misplacing my money. Like, I don't want to, like, if it's in cash, I don't really care about it. Like, I've been misplacing so much stuff. So, and then I have to go buy cat food. I'm gonna buy cat food, and I want to get bread, so I can use the bread to eat with like the tuna that I have. I want to make like a tuna sandwich, and then I want to use the bread to make soup, so I can like eat it with the not soup, like a sloppy joe, some sloppy joe, because we have some ground beef in the fridge that I want to put to good use. Because I was gonna make a lasagna thing, but we're out of cheese. The shredded cheese is very low, so I can't really make the lasagna that I wanted to make anymore. So that's that. So I just want to get like little things to make meals out of with the stuff we have in the house already. That being said, I'm done. I'm done talking, y'all. I'll see you guys tomorrow, though. Yeah, I did say I'm closing that video in that clip, but yeah, I lied. So we're gonna. Yeah, I was feeling a little grumpy earlier, so I'm feeling a little more cheerful now that I see I don't have that much stuff to. I can organize the stuff at my mama's house, so I feel a little better now. Cause I was just feeling a little grumpy, because it's like I don't know. I have a hard time throwing things away, but it's like it's not a lot of stuff. I thought it was, but it's not. I literally cleared out all the cabinets, like the dresser right there, and my makeshift vanity dresser. That stuff I cleared that up. So I just have these big pillows, which I'm selling still. So I'm gonna take those with me so I can sell them. And if someone reaches out to me for the ottoman, I'm gonna give it to them. I'm gonna sell it to them too, because I'm selling that shit. I'm not, because my next place, my room coloring is white furniture with pink like accents, light accents of pink. It's still gonna be pink and white like it is right now, but it's gonna be like pink pillows and pink bed sheets, you know, stuff like that. More grown girl stuff. And then I wanna give me a 2-bedroom, so that way I could turn one into a makeup room, like a little recording area. So yeah. Okay, guys, I want you guys to go ahead and turn on that post notification bell, cha-ching, 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 because you know you want to see more of my goofiness, because I want to see more of what you. Period. Okay. I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be part of my beautiful, beautiful babies. Bye.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that